What's going on? My name is Danny and welcome to another video here on this channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text to your video in Sony Vegas. So there are two easy ways how to do it. First way is to click on the media generators, then click on the titles and text and simply drag the text over your video wherever you want to have it. Then just write it what you have want to have there. For example, pro Hanzo place, and simply close it. As you can see, we have now here the text. Or the second way to add text here is to just simply click by right click and click on the insert text media. That's the same thing, pro Hanzo place. So now, as you can see, we have the text bigger than the size of our screen. There are two ways how to change the size of the text. First off is to select your text and simply change the size of the text in the same way as in the Word or any other text software. So let's say 30, and as you can see, that's already smaller. If you want, you can move the text wherever you want just by clicking, holding and moving through the screen. The second way to change the size of the text is on the scale. Simply hold and drag if you want bigger to the right, if you want smaller to the left. Then let's say we want to have bold text, simply click on bold, and if you want to change style of text, simply click here and choose one you want to use. Nextly, what you can do for actually make your text looking better is add some kind of outline. It's pretty simple. Just drag lower and click on the outline. Here you can choose the color of outline. Let's say we want to have some kind of blue, and now when we will drag this outline width, we can see that actually outline is appearing, and you can choose if you want stronger outline, lower, none. It depends on you. And if you want to add some kind of shadow to the text to it actually look like it's in front of the screen, we can simply click on the shadow, and what you have to do is check this little box to actually start the shadows. As you can see, we already have here the shadows. Now it depends all on your priorities, how you like to have your shadows of the text. For example, for me, these shadows are too far from the center. So let's say add this 200, this one 202. As you can see, the shadow is already closer to the text. And now I can just choose what kind of blur I want to use for this text. Let's say this one. If you want, you can change the color of the shadow too, but I don't think that too many people are doing it. So that's all for the text. That's pretty simple what you can do and how you can do. So it's all for this video. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the round subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped you. I will see you next time.